This is my 2018 Ford Transit High Roof. Her name is Crystal 2.0. She took me about a month to build while traveling the country and stopping to meet up with friends. She is a collaborative piece of art just like my brand, and I love her. My inspiration would have to be just travel. I wanted to live a simple, minimalistic life of travel, and I knew that that could be possible by living in a tiny house. It was roughly a $10,000 build without the cost of labor because I worked on it with a lot of different builders and artists and makers. It is completely built to be off-grid. I have 340 watts of solar up top and a 3,000 watt inverter. I have a 50-gallon water tank, an instant hot water heater, a shower, an oven, and a stove. And it's basically built to be off-grid for a minimum of a month. So the reason I went with a Ford was the price point. Sprinter's parts are really expensive. And I don't know anything about cars, so I didn't want to buy something used that I'd have issues with and a lot of money for parts. Some of my favorite things about the van are my deep sink. I love that my sink can come down and have a really big sink. I have a pull-out garbage can and a filtration system. I love that I have a freezer and a fridge. And my probably most favorite thing is my sunroof and rooftop deck. I love it, the connections you make to people, to yourself, to nature. You like are so raw and everything's so genuine, and I don't know, it changed me, and I think that everybody should do it.
Great, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.